Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about one most important thing. What is the line of best fit? We are talking about the scattered diagrams. So, children, in when we talk about line of best fit, so it means when most of the points, when we plot a diagram, okay, when we plot a graph, when most of the points lie on the same line, okay, or you could say कि when you could say कि these are the points given to you, but number of points, maximum points are lying in the same line, okay, and they form a straight line. So we obtain a straight line when maximum points which we are having by from the given data, and when we plot the data we get maximum points which lie on a straight line. Okay, so this line could be called as line of best fit. Okay, or in other words it could be said as the line that passes through the scattered point in such a way that most of the points lie on one single line. Okay, most of the points lie on one single line. That means these were some of the points which were plotted by us, and maximum points out of the given data lies on the same line. So when we join all those points we obtain a straight line. Okay, so this straight line could be said as the line of best fit. So children, one of the most important point which could we are talking about the scattered diagrams is that the scattered diagrams only shows an approximation of the relationship of closeness of the given set of data. Okay, so suppose this is the demand of a particular product and this is the price of the product. So there is a relationship between demand and price of the product, and this line is showing the line of best fit, and maximum points lie on this line. But one most important thing we can discover over here is when we are drawing the scatter diagrams show a relationship between the two variables which are given to us, but the relationship shown between them is just an approximate relationship. Okay, so the relationship which is shown by this scatter diagram is just an approximate relationship, or it just shows the closeness of two sets of data. Okay, 100% accuracy we can't achieve by these scattered diagrams. So children, we are having you could say कि mainly 5 types of scatter diagrams can be obtained by the data which is given to us. The first and the foremost is when we have a set of variables, or you could say कि set of values we are having. Suppose demand and price is given to us. Okay, and the data which is given to us, when we plot that data we get all the points that lie in just a straight line. They are not scattered on either side of the line. So if we get a scatter diagram of this particular type, then what sort of relationship we develop? We are developing a positive and perfect relationship between the data. Okay, that means a perfect and positive relationship is there between the given variables, or you could say कि the coefficient of correlation in this case is +1. Okay, and it could be said as perfect positive relation. Okay. Then if we talk about the second diagram, or the second diagram which can be obtained from the given set of data, it could be like this. When we develop a line which is moving from left top to right bottom. Okay, left top to right bottom, fine, and all the points which we are having lie on this line. Okay, when we are having this sort of points or this sort of line, then there is always a negative relationship, and suppose the variables given to us are price and demand. So in this case we are having a negative relationship, that is in this case r will be equal to -1, and the relationship over here will be perfectly negative relationship. Okay, so these are the two most important diagrams. So other diagrams which we can obtain are which we can obtain is, so the third type of diagram, on the x axis we are taking the price, and on the y axis we are taking the demand. Okay, and this is the origin point. So when we plot the diagram, okay, number of points are given to us like this. Okay, these are the scattered points. Okay, and we also obtain a straight line when we join a number of points. Okay, when we join the given points, we also obtain a straight line, but the remaining points lie on either side of this line. Okay, the remaining points lie on either side of this line. So if this sort of diagram is obtained, in the case जब दूसरे पॉइंट्स पर कोई लाइन डेवलप नहीं होती स्ट्रेट लाइन, तो वी आर हैविंग अ पॉजिटिव सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. Okay, so we could say कि demand and price of the product are positively related to each other, fine, because this is the positive slope of line and this is the negative slope of line. So but we are obtaining a line also, and number of points remaining which are not in a straight line, which lies on the either side of the line. Okay, so if this sort of diagram is developed when we plot our data, so this sort of you could say कि diagram shows a positive relationship between the given variables, that is the demand and price. So the other sort of data suppose is given to us, and we get, these are some points which are given to us. Okay, and when we plot these points, we get a negative slope line, but some points are lying on that line also. Okay, but a number of points are remaining on either side of the line which are not lying in a straight line. So when we have a negative slope line, okay, when we have a negative slope line developed by joining the points and few points are left which are not lying in the same line, so this sort of relationship is the negative relationship which is shown between the two variables. And one and the last diagram which we get when we have a set of points. Okay, suppose these are the points, but we do not get a negative sloping line or a positive slope line. No straight line is developed when we join these points. So in this case we can say that there is no relation between the given variables, that is the demand and the price. Okay, I hope this topic of scatter diagram is clear to you, and the most important point over here we covered today is the line of best fit. It means when we have a number of points, but maximum points out of those given points lie in a straight line, and that line is having a positive slope. So when those points lying in the same line are joined together, a straight line is obtained, and that line could be said as the line of best fit.